Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover basic English phrases for tourists. Whether you're traveling for the first time or just need a refresher, knowing a few key phrases in English can make your trip easier and more enjoyable. Let's go over some essential phrases you'll need for traveling, from asking for directions to ordering food. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Excuse me, can you help me? When you need assistance, whether it's finding a location or asking a question, this phrase is a lifesaver. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, I need some help finding this place. It's polite and perfect for starting a conversation when you need assistance. Phrase number 2. Where is the location? Asking for directions is something every tourist will need. Here's how you can ask clearly. Where is the nearest train station? Where is the hotel? Can you tell me where the museum is? This phrase will help you find your way around with ease. Phrase number 3. How much does this cost? When shopping or paying for services, you'll need to ask about prices. Use this simple phrase. How much does this cost? How much is the ticket? How much is this souvenir? This phrase helps you know the cost of items before buying them. Phrase number 4. I would like item, please. When ordering food, drinks, or anything else, this phrase is polite and clear. I would like a coffee, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Can I have a bottle of water, please? Using please makes your request more polite and friendly. Phrase number 5. Do you speak your language? If you're in a foreign country, it's helpful to know if someone speaks your native language. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak French? If they don't, you can always switch back to English. Phrase number 6. Can you take a picture of me/us? Tourists love to capture memories, and this phrase is perfect when you need someone to take a photo for you. Can you take a picture of me? Can you take a picture of us, please? This is a friendly way to ask for help with photos. Phrase number 7. Where can I find amenity? When traveling, it's important to know where to find important places like bathrooms, ATMs, or Wi-Fi spots. Where can I find a bathroom? Where's the nearest ATM? Do you have Wi-Fi here? These phrases will help you navigate essential services during your trip. Quick review. Key English phrases for tourists. Excuse me, can you help me? A polite way to ask for assistance. Where is the location? Useful for asking directions. How much does this cost? Perfect for shopping or paying for services. I would like item, please. A polite way to order food or drinks. Do you speak your language? Useful when trying to communicate in your native language. Can you take a picture of me/us? A great way to ask for help with photos. Where can I find amenity? Ask for important services like bathrooms or ATMs. With these phrases, you'll be able to navigate your travels with confidence and ease. Practice them before your trip, and you'll feel more comfortable speaking English while exploring new places. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels and happy learning!